Hey there, YouTube enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest strategies to boost your online presence and, of course, your income. Today's video is going to be a game changer because we're diving deep into the mysterious world of faceless YouTube channels and how you can make a whopping $1,000 a day without showing your face. So buckle up and get ready for some serious insights. Imagine waking up every morning to a cool $1,000 just from your YouTube channel, all while remaining completely anonymous. Sounds intriguing, right? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore today. 1. The power of faceless content. Before we jump into the strategy, let's understand the power of faceless content. In a world where privacy is highly valued, faceless channels have gained immense popularity. The focus here is on the content itself rather than the personality behind it. This creates a unique opportunity for creators to succeed without the need to reveal their faces. Viewers are drawn to valuable, engaging content, making faceless channels a versatile and accessible option for content creators. One of the significant advantages of faceless content is the ability to reach a broader audience. 2. Niche selection. Now let's talk about the first key to success. Choosing the right niche. Your passion is your compass here. Identify a niche that aligns with your interests and has a demand in the market. Whether it's tech tutorials, life hacks, or gaming, selecting the right niche ensures you're creating content that resonates with your target audience. Diving deeper into niche selection, consider conducting thorough market research. Identify trending topics within your niche and analyze the competition. What gaps exist that you can fill with your unique perspective? 3. Quality content production. Moving on to content creation. Quality is absolutely crucial. Invest in good equipment, such as a high-resolution camera and professional editing software. Your content should provide real value to your audience, whether it's entertainment, education, or problem-solving. Make sure your content is something people actively seek out and want to watch. Consider establishing a consistent and recognizable style for your videos. This could include a unique intro, branded graphics, or a particular editing technique. A cohesive and professional presentation enhances the overall viewing experience and contributes to the credibility of your channel. Furthermore, storytelling is a powerful tool in content creation. Craft narratives that captivate your audience and keep them engaged from start to finish. Whether you're sharing personal experiences, exploring intriguing topics. 4. Leveraging voiceovers and animations. The beauty of a faceless channel lies in the ability to leverage voiceovers and animations to maintain anonymity. A clear, engaging voice coupled with well-designed visuals can captivate your audience without them ever needing to see your face. This not only preserves your privacy, but also adds a unique and creative element to your content. Voiceovers offer an opportunity to infuse personality into your videos through tone, intonation, and pacing. Experiment with different styles to find the one that resonates best with your audience. 5. Strategic thumbnails and titles. Your thumbnails and titles are your first impression on potential viewers. Create eye-catching thumbnails that grab attention and craft compelling titles that pique curiosity. It's essential that these elements accurately represent your content, building trust with your audience. The goal is to entice viewers to click while ensuring they get exactly what they expect. A successful thumbnail is visually striking, with clear and relevant imagery that aligns with the video's content. Experiment with colors, fonts, and layout to find a style that stands out within your niche. Titles, on the other hand, should be concise, descriptive, and include relevant keywords to improve discoverability through search engines. Consider creating a consistent visual theme for your thumbnails to establish brand recognition. 6. Monetization strategies. Now let's talk money. Explore various monetization strategies to maximize your earnings. This includes ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even selling merchandise. Diversifying your income streams not only increases your revenue, but also ensures stability in case one source fluctuates. 7. Consistency and engagement. Consistency is the backbone of a successful YouTube channel. Stick to a regular upload schedule to keep your audience engaged. Respond to comments, build a community around your channel, and encourage interaction. The more engaged your audience, the more likely they are to support you. whether it's through likes, shares, or even direct financial contributions. Building a community involves more than just uploading videos. Actively engage with your audience on social media platforms, host live Q&A sessions, and seek feedback to continuously improve your content. A loyal and engaged community not only contributes to the success of your channel, but also provides valuable insights that can shape the direction of your content. Consider implementing a content calendar to plan your uploads strategically. This allows you to align your content with trending topics, holidays, or events, increasing the relevance of your videos and attracting a larger audience. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide to building a $1,000 a day faceless YouTube channel. Remember, success on YouTube is a journey that takes time and dedication. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our future content. Thanks for joining us today. Best of luck with your faceless YouTube journey. And until next time, keep creating and keep earning.